Welcome to Accelerator Pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2004 through 2006 Kia Amanti Accelerator Pedal sensor. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. After setting up the power supply, you're going to set your multimeter to 20 volts, just like this. Then you connect the positive from the multimeter in the battery to this top pin, just like this. And then you connect the negative from the battery to the second from the top pin, and the negative from the multimeter connects up to the third from the top pin. After doing this, it should be reading around 3.8 volts. And as you move the sensor, it fully pressed in, it should be about 0.2 volts. You're checking for both spikes and glitches during these tests. One little thing, the fourth, middle, and the fifth in the fifth pin right here will not be used in your tests. With that, moving on. So take out the pins from the last one, and you connect the positive from the battery in the multimeter to this bottom pin. Then negative from the battery is going to connect up to the second from the bottom pin. And the negative from the multimeters connect up to the third pin. Once you do that, it should be reading around 0.4 volts in the idle position. And fully pressed in, it should read about 3.9 volts. You are also making sure to check for spikes and glitches during these tests. So what will this look like? Here, our expert is pressing in on the pedal and letting it come right back up. And as you can see here and here, it's doing exactly what it needs to be doing. And if it's not doing what it's doing, it's got a spike or glitch to it. Check out our links below to see whether or not if you can want to buy one or not. Thanks for watching. Bye.